Hi, it's Michelle here from New Paradigm Wellness, and I want to talk to you today about aging, the inevitable downward slide into oblivion. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. It is true that as we age, we're more vulnerable and we often have more health problems. But let's look at it a little differently. Is it inevitable that you have heart disease? Do you know that heart disease takes many, many years to actually be a problem? And the sooner you handle that, the better you feel and the less risk factors you have. So honestly, if you look at it in a way that everything you do for your health is gonna improve your odds, you could age in reverse. If you're thinking about not having the same downward spiral that has been in your family history, it could be that you can actually prevent some of these problems when you address things like your nutrition, an anti-inflammatory diet, dealing with any digestive issues that you may have. For example, I've had digestive issues all my life, and I never really got or understood what to do about that until I started studying functional medicine. I knew I had a dairy allergy, and that every time I ate dairy, I felt bloated and uncomfortable, and I had achiness in my joints. Doesn't that sound a little bit like aging? So there are things that you can do to address the downward slide. Sometimes our gut biome is out of balance, and just taking a probiotic may not be sufficient to deal with that imbalance. It can help if you don't really have many symptoms, and it can actually help shift the balance somewhat. But if the balance is too far out of whack, so to speak, then your body cannot just immediately recover just by taking a few lactobacilli. So I want to invite you to take action now, especially if you've had some lab work that is out of the normal range and your doctor is concerned and recommends some things, but maybe doesn't tell you exactly what to do. You can go look on Dr. Google and maybe you'll find a lot of different things there, but it's so confusing. It's hard to know what to do first, second, third. What's most important or the best for me? These things I can help you with. So please consider working with me to head off the inevitable pains and aches of aging. I also can show you how to move with grace and ease. I teach an exercise class called Stand Up to Gravity, where you learn how to deal with gravity in a healthy and effective way to gain your power, your stability, and your strength and your balance. So know that there is something that you can do. There are many things to do, but what is right for you now is the most important thing. What are you committed to make it better for your life as you get older? There are some inevitable things like gray hair and maybe the skin elasticity isn't as much, but the healthier you are going into your older years, and the more practices that you do that help you feel and improve your day, isn't it going to be worth it? It's not suffering to treat yourself well. You have the opportunity to have a healthy and happy life, so don't wait until there's a diagnosis. Once there's a diagnosis, it's much harder to recover from that kind of damage. If you fix the problems early and really look at the underlying causes of those naggy aches and pains and feeling like crap, that's where functional medicine works its best. So please consider using your resources while you have them now, and so your future looks bright and cheery and you feel great. So give me a call, Michelle Wald, New Paradigm Wellness.